How's it going, guys? If you're thinking of buying a home here in the Salt Lake County, look no further than right here in order to know exactly what to expect moving here as far as what the market looks like. I'm doing this video every single Monday so you know what to expect when you get here. Let's check it out. This chart, as always, is the first one that I show, and it is showing the difference between current supply and current demand in the form of how many homes are available on the market, supply obviously, versus how many homes are currently under contract? How many people are actually going under contract on a home right now? And I've been pointing something out the last couple of months that continues to be the case more and more so, and that is the gap between these two lines. The wider that gap gets, the better it is for buyers. It's putting more pressure, downward pressure on prices, obviously in favor of buyers. Number of homes sold last week in Salt Lake County came to 213. That is exactly where it was, +1 from last week. But really, if we just draw a trend line through here, it's gonna be at about 200 homes sold a week here in the Salt Lake County, which is another way of saying between looking at under contract and what is selling week over week, that the demand is pretty flat. It hasn't been rising through a season of the year that we would expect it to be rising. We can see the pricing going up and down, and those two lines represent the difference between average list price versus median sold price. So the bottom line is where most people are having an experience in buying a home. Again, if we were to draw a straight line through those, through the data there that's going up and down across the chart, we would see a pretty flat line. Right now, median sold price in Salt Lake County comes to about 550K. And last but not least, as always, is the interest rates. Current interest rates today for a 30-year fixed rate conventional loan, national average, coming down from where it was the last few weeks to 6.56%. And that's where our market is right now.